Not enough cash to cover it all. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Here's the good news. Every minute you spend scrolling could be a minute spent earning. So, what's it going to be? Is today the day you finally turn things around? Stick with me because I'm about to share 5 ways you can start making money online right now. And trust me, number 4, it'll change the game. Freelancing is the go-to side hustle. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or even voiceovers, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can connect you with paying clients. Don't wait to be perfect. Start small, learn as you go, and build that portfolio. And hey, if you've ever won an argument about pizza toppings, congratulations, you've got negotiation skills. Use them. Drop shipping lets you run an online store without needing inventory. With Shopify, you can sell trending products straight from AliExpress. The secret sauce? Viral marketing on TikTok or Instagram. It's not luck, it's hustle. Cliffhanger. Sounds too good to be true? Wait till you hear number 4. It's going to blow your mind. Selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or courses is a game changer. Build it once, sell it forever. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it ridiculously simple to start. Think about this. What do you know that someone else needs? That knowledge you take for granted could be someone else's breakthrough. Affiliate marketing is pure genius. You promote products from sites like Amazon or ClickBank, and you get paid commissions for every sale. And no, you don't need a huge audience. Your grandma's Facebook group could work just fine. Teaching online is the perfect mix of flexibility and pay. Whether it's English, math, or literally explaining how to use a remote, platforms like Cambly and Preply make it easy to start. Cliffhanger. Now imagine combining this with number 3. The possibilities are endless. Want to know how? Let's bring it all together. There you have it. 5 real ways to start earning money online. So, which one will you try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, if you're serious about changing your life, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.